Hello everyone. Today I am here to speak about love and compassion, two of the most important values we must practice in our lives. Teenage life is full of emotions, challenges, and discoveries. We are learning who we are, what we want, and how we fit into the world. In this journey, one thing can guide us, support us, and strengthen us. Kindness from the heart. Being loving and compassionate doesn't make us weak. It makes us brave because it takes courage to care. It makes us strong because it helps us rise above anger, ego, and negativity. We bring light into someone's dark day. We build trust and meaningful friendships that last. We create a positive atmosphere where everyone feels safe and valued. We grow into better human beings who can face any challenges with confidence. Sometimes a simple smile, a helping hand, or a kind word can give someone hope they were desperately searching for. We may not change the whole world, but we can surely change someone's world with our compassion. As teens, we have great energy, dreams, and ideas. Imagine how powerful we become when we add love and empathy to that energy. We can inspire others, support those who feel alone, and create a future filled with respect and understanding. Let us choose to be the generation that spreads kindness instead of judgment, care instead of criticism, and compassion instead of anger. Because in the end, people may forget our words, but they will always remember how we made them feel. So, let us step forward with loving hearts and compassionate minds and make our world a better place, one kind act at a time. Thank you very much for giving me this great opportunity. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.